All right, hello everyone. I have a really quick video today. I need some help. If anyone can provide some help, I would appreciate it. I was asked by a user if I could make a Xfce version of MiyoLinux, and I agreed to do it. And this is it. However, there is an issue that I cannot resolve. Let me show you the picture. This is from the build environment. Let's see if I can increase that. If you look at, let me increase it a little more, I'm sorry. If you look at the RAM usage, this is the build environment, okay? It was only using 285 megabytes of RAM, which I thought, man, that's really good for a desktop environment. However, after I installed the system, this is the terminal right after I booted up, because when I was testing it, I noticed the RAM usage was like almost double. This is, see if I can increase the font size here. You can see this is at first boot. I've only been running 1 minute, or I had only been running 1 minute, and it's using 600 megabytes of RAM. And I cannot figure out what is causing the issue. I remembered Xfce ran into this issue with Xfce, and he had mentioned it was an icon cache issue, but I can find nothing as far as icon caches, or caches, however you want to say it. I say cache. Let's see. If I go into, this is so weird for me using Thunar. All right, here's cache, or cache. I got a font configuration, GStreamer, Mesa sessions, thumbnails. And here are some thumbnails. Now, I did not delete the cache, so I'm not sure exactly what, if that is the issue, I'm not sure exactly what could be going on. Let's look in local, share, nothing here about icons. I'll look in config real quick. Let's look in Thunar. Nothing there that stands out to me. Xfce, nothing about icons. So I'm not sure exactly what the problem might be. I don't want to give this person an ISO and it's going to boot up at 600 megabytes of RAM. I mean, he may not mind, I don't know, but I also make it available for other people. So I don't want to do that if I don't have to. And those of you who know me, you know I am not a desktop environment person. So I really am not sure what I need to be looking for. I ran top. Let me go ahead and run top. Of course, it's going to show. Look at that. Right now, I'm using 1 gigabyte of RAM. Good grief. And of course, I'm screen recording or screen casting, however you want to say it. Let's run top. When I ran top, without all this other stuff going on, like the screencast, you can see screencast is using 4.2% of the memory. Xorg is using 1%. Where'd that 1. Xfce4 terminal. is using 1.3% of the memory. But I mean, that's really nothing. I don't understand what exactly is going on here. So if any of you guys, you might have an idea or a clue of something I can look for, because to me that's just unacceptable to have Xfce booting up at 600 megabytes of RAM. And I do not understand what the difference is. I'm going to pull that picture up again of the build environment. In the build environment, I mean, there were times it was 260 megabytes of RAM. So I'm not sure exactly. The only thing I'm thinking of, if it is an icon issue, I might just remove the Papyrus icons just to see what that does. I did switch from Papyrus to the GNOME icons just to see if that would make a difference. Made an ISO and it was still booting, you know, like this. So if anybody has an idea, I would appreciate any input. Now, if you do give me some input, I may not get back to you today. I'm about to have to get ready and go to work, so it might be tomorrow before I can respond, and I hope you understand that. All right, that's it. I'm asking for help. I'm not a desktop environment guy, and I don't know what to look for, so any help would be greatly appreciated. All right, thanks a lot, guys, and you guys have a great week.